In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a lead as a bad fit in Pipedrive. This is really useful when you want to keep your leads inbox clean and focused on people who are actually likely to become customers, without deleting anything or losing the history of a conversation. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a bad fit label and apply it to any lead you don't want your team to spend time on. Start by opening your leads inbox in Pipedrive. This is where all of your incoming leads live, whether they came from forms, imports, or manual entry. Once you're in the leads inbox, browse through the list and click on the specific lead that you've determined isn't a good fit. This will open the lead preview on the right-hand side, where you can see their details and activity. At the top left of this lead preview, look for the label dropdown. It's usually near the lead's name, and if you already use labels, you may see some colors or names there. Go ahead and click on that label dropdown. This is where you can manage how leads are visually categorized. From the drop-down menu, choose the option that says Edit Labels. This will open the label management view. Here, you'll see any labels that have already been created in your account, but we're going to add a new one specifically for leads that aren't worth pursuing. Click on Add New Label. A small form will appear where you can define the label. In the name field, type Bad Fit. This makes it very clear to you and your team that this lead isn't aligned with your product, budget, timing, or any other criteria you use. Next, choose a color for this label. A neutral color like gray works well because it visually signals something low priority without being confusing or too attention-grabbing. Once you've named the label and picked your color, click Save. Now that the bad fit label exists, you can apply it to the lead you're viewing. In the label dropdown for this lead, select Bad Fit. As soon as you do this, the label will be attached to the lead, and you'll see the color and name appear next to it. From now on, whenever you identify a lead that isn't worth pursuing, you can simply open it from the lead's inbox and apply this Bad Fit label. This keeps your pipeline tidy, helps your team focus on high-quality opportunities, and avoids cluttering your deals with leads that are not going anywhere.